Hi everyone, Professor Duckett here. I just wanted to jump into this really quick. This question came up in one of my classes. How do I open a photo in Photoshop? And what I realized is that a lot of my tutorials kind of start with the tool already open, just because I know with everyone's attention span, things need to move faster. So I wanted to just stop and create a video about how to open a photo. So when you have your, maybe the canvas that you want to design on open, or even if you don't have it open, maybe the photo that you're opening is the very first tab. All you would do once you have Photoshop open is go to File, click Open, and then you could pick your picture that you want to use. I'm gonna just find a fun picture on here. I have a bunch. There was a little, this one that I really wanted. Oh, there he is. All right, so let's go ahead and open my photo. So I have my canvas here, my Instagram size canvas in one tab, and then I have the photo that I just opened, and that's available for me to use as well. So your photo is open. So you just did File, Open. Now, if I wanted to pull this little guy over into here, what I would do, I would just go to Select, let's see, Select Subject, and wait for the marching ants. So that's a really neat tool and trick that you can use in Photoshop. And you just want to kind of pull the subject out of the photo. So once you see the marching ants, go ahead and hold down your mouse, drag him all the way up to the tab where your Instagram is, and then pull him, still holding it down, and release. Now, he's huge, and you're not going to be able to really work with him at that size, so you can go to File, Edit, and then Free Transform, or just Command T. And then you'll see the blue line with the boxes start up, and you can just begin to kind of move him around. You gotta kind of try to find the corners in there. Just shrink him down to size. He was so cute. I just wanted to play with him a little bit and maybe come up with a fun little quote that I could put next to him. Just looking at him makes you laugh. So that's it. Now I've shown you how to kind of combine, and you just can hit Move tool to place him. So I've shown you how to combine the tool, combine two images, extract the subject from an image, and also how to open a photo in Photoshop. Have fun creating. Happy Photoshopping, and I'll see you in the next video.